The person whom you're trying to reach
Hey, hello. Hey, Jorge.
Hey, you were lucky I had Skype.
Fantastic. I need video, and I don't need Snapchat video. I need the real thing. I
So can you see me?
see yellow, which is probably means you're using your Snapchat camera.
Oh, I installed it last night.
Yeah, that's what it does when
Yeah, Snap camera.
it's not
Yeah,
running.
that sucks.
Well, you have to uninstall it.
Yeah.
Can you make your Skype thing vertical, or is it a laptop?
I'm on the laptop.
Okay, interesting. 1 sec,
Can
I
I
have to
get-
fix it. No.
Can make this.
Too funny. I just need to fix it right.
By the way, do you have a fan turned on there?
Yeah, my computer is fanning like crazy.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear it through the video call.
Yeah, we're gonna have to fix the audio later.
What do you want to test? A Skype webinar thing?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Share screen. Oh,
Almost there. Almost there. Okay, close enough. Okay, let me start recording. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first of our 7 series of online conversations that we're calling COVID-19 Conversations, from research to impact in wake of the pandemic. I'm your host, Alex Durgachev, and as an expert in all things related to COVID-19, as well as webinars, I would like to have a conversation with my colleague, Jorge Diaz, who is gracious enough to dial in with Skype. So please welcome everybody. Jorge, thank you for being with us.
thank you, Alex. Thanks, everybody.
Great. And Jorge, I'd like to know, what did you do to get here today? How did you appear on my screen?
Well, I mean, you get in touch with me through Slack, and after testing a lot of webinar communication tools in the last few days, I guess this is going to be our final test. So Skype is the tool we're using to get in touch. So far, I'm just waiting for whatever idea you want to test, so go ahead.
And that's it. And now I've recorded this call using OBS Studio. I've connected it to Skype to talk to you. And for now, I'm making a static recording, but ideally, if it goes well, we can stream it directly to Facebook, YouTube, and other services. So let's see if that works. Thank you, Jorge.
Thanks a lot.
All right, let's see if that actually worked.
Did you? Oh, you recorded it with OBS Studio. So you're on your phone? No.
No phone involved.
No.
So now I want to see if this 30 megabyte file. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first of our 7 series of online conversations that we're calling COVID-19 Conversations, from research to impact in wake of the pandemic. I'm your host, Alex Durgachev, and as an expert in all things related to COVID-19, as well as webinars, I want to have a conversation with my colleague, Jorge Diaz, who is gracious enough to dial in with Skype.
Thank you, Alex. Thanks, everybody.
Is there an echo? Enough to dial in with
Thank
Skype.
you, Alex. Thanks, everybody.
So please welcome everybody. And Jorge, I'd like to know, what did you do to get here?
Thank you, Alex. Thanks, everybody.
And Jorge, I'd like to know,
Well, I mean,
what did you do to get here
you
today?
get in touch with me through Slack, and after testing a lot of webinar communication tools in the last few days, I guess this is going to be our final test. Communication tools in the last few days. So Skype is the tool we're using to get in touch.
Oi, Okay. Last bit of test that I need to do. Can you join my Zoom and drop the Skype?
In your Zoom?
Hey, Jorge, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Do you see anything?
No.
What
No, I
now?
do.
Okay.
Okay, but it's not moving. It's like frozen. It's
Yeah,
See on
because
the
of
left?
because it's supposed to be frozen. Because
Oh, okay.
because we're not having our Skype conversation. So now you're gonna laugh. I'm gonna test two different things. What's the meeting that I'm joining? 878-1442-6802. Okay. So I can see myself. That's good. So now I'm gonna quit the Zoom meeting from here, but I'm gonna dial in with Skype from my phone, and I want you to see it.
Okay. Okay, I believe I can still hear you. Okay.
Now you see the Skype icon.
Okay, now I can see your camera live. You have two cameras. Okay.
The cropping
Yeah.
is broken because I adjusted the cropping for your laptop format rather than the desktop.
Okay. But I mean, right now it's showing good.
Yeah, and are you having synchronized conversation? Is it impressive?
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
So you're doing a live streaming into Zoom?
Into Zoom. So I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing Skype on my phone here. Skype to Skype. Laptop Skype goes into OBS. OBS combines it and puts it in Zoom.
It's pretty good.
And is it synchronized enough that it looks like a conversation?
I mean, I think the delay, it's probably it's less than a second.
What about now? Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Do you have a crazy echo?
No?
I can't
No, it's
actually
pretty
hear you. Interesting.
You what?
Well, of course not, because you're a webinar attendee. You know, I'm not supposed to be able to hear you. Okay. So say, can you hear me fine? I can hear you because I came back into the room. Can you hear me? Jorge.
Sorry, I can hear you. Yeah. Sorry, I was with my mic turned off.
God damn you. Okay, so you're saying you can hear me fine?
Yeah.
And the echo is okay?
Yeah, there's no echo. I mean,
Wow.
even when you
so
were
it seems like we have a working solution almost, right?
That's pretty good. I mean, this.
Okay.
How do you do that? Is it OBS?
It's the magic of OBS. Okay, let me hang up Skype.
All right. Yeah, we have Scrum.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're frozen on the right side, on the guest distinguished researcher, and you're not in the middle. Wow, why is this so good?
Why is OBS so good?
Yeah, I mean, this interview kind of setup.
I don't know, because I spent hours figuring it out, and it's not over yet.
It's really good, huh?
Okay, good stuff. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Hey, everyone.
Hello.
Alex wants to talk about COVID-19. Maybe COVID-19 should start.
He's one of the experts.
So I hear. Do you guys see, does everyone see my whole screen, or is it cropped?
No, we see you on the left and then like a slide on the right.
Okay. So if you're looking at it on the desktop, it's not cropped. That's cool.
And I also see a mouse on the right.
Yeah, well, that's because I'm not Skyped in. So it's whatever was the last image on Skype, which was not that great. Anyway, okay, should we begin? Trevor, you there?
Yep. Okay, I'll start. Okay, so yesterday I recorded an intro to Flexbox video, and I put the link in the EW Scrum. If everybody wants to watch it and give suggestions, I'll do an edit for color and correction, but let me know. Asset Abloy follow-up, and then today I'll do the edits to the video, and then I'll be writing questions from training newsletter contents. I got to follow up with Asset Abloy training, and then actually prep the intro to HTML training next Friday. Okay, Cleaver, Kevin, and then Shane.
Good morning. For me, I've been working on site diff, and I made a few enhancements to my merge request based on Franz's feedback. I'm currently going through a detailed test of using it on the Kai's High comparing to the live D7 site, and making a list of recommendations for how we can make site diff useful for big migration projects like this. Next up, we're going to be meeting on Friday to discuss further. So figure out what we're going to do then. On Kai High, not doing anything today, but tomorrow I'm going to be working on the O-Embed save error, which is priority for them. They want to see it for Monday. It's kind of a busy day with meetings and stuff, so I'm going to try and get that all done as much as I can. And that's about it for me.
Previously, OQ checking with Radin and Mohammed. Redmine several improvements to the Redmine Slack integration, including automatic webhooks creation. And I started writing the blog post about static analysis. Next, I continue writing this blog post. And for Redmine, follow up with Chris for webhooks and stuff hosting, and start looking at time entries before changes. That's it.
Yesterday worked on at the SCC project deliverables, continued with the OSC mock-up designs. This morning, SCC Scrum, continued preparing the project deliverables, client handoff today. At the OSC Scrum, reviewed the design for client presentation this afternoon. This afternoon, wrapping up the SCC project deliverables with the client presentation for the design of OSC. Going to work on the careers mobile design and a design team meeting. That's it.
Virat, Ahmed, and Millie.
Hello. For me, yesterday I worked on Visual Listen Behind page design, and we had a meeting with Ash about new section in their websites, into the foundation website. We had Visual Listen weekly meeting, and I had one-on-one meeting with Anika and Ken. This morning I worked on again for Visual Listen Behind page design, CSS markup issue fixing for topic card, and several patterns. This afternoon, we have Visual Listen dev check-in and design team meeting. Then I will work on Visual Listen front-end. And if the proposals are ready, I will export them to PDF also. That's all. Thanks.
Hello, everyone. So yesterday on TIC